ഈ ബഫലോയുടെ ഓണറാണ് അരവിന്ദ്.
आप है ना इस चेयर पे खड़ी हुई है.
ओके.
स्टैंड ऑन दैट चेयर.
मिक्सर के ऊपर लग जाओ सर. चलो भाई.
अच्छा हो गया बहुत.
Is it true?
Yes, in Kerala too.
Kerala too. My goodness.
Yes. So we didn't expect to see him here.
Yes.
So we are very glad that we could. We have had at least a couple of reports of. I think it was during this time of Pushkar festival.
Yes.
That a couple of reports came in one of the regional languages in.
My goodness, thanks for informing that he is going to be an Indian icon.
Indeed.
സ്ഥലം
Where is your place originally?
It is from Jodhpur, Rajasthan.
So is it an Indian breed?
It is indigenous breed.
Indigenous breed. Do we have a name? What's the name of the breed?
The bull name is Bhim.
Bhim. Oh. Bull's name or the breed's name?
Now, the name of bull is Bhim. The breed is Murra,
Murra.
known as black diamond, black gold. Sorry, black gold. Gold.
So,
ഇത് ഇവരെ വീട്ടിൽ തന്നെ ഇവരെ വീട്ടിൽ അല്ല അതല്ല ഇവരെ വീട്ടിൽ തന്നെ ഉണ്ടായതാണോ ഇത്?
did you actually buy this or
No.
No.
No, not buy it. It came with the mother.
Right. So it
We
was
had
born in
bought
your
it.
house.
We bought a buffalo from Haryana side.
Haryana.
Glass mill.
From Haryana.
ഏത് വർഷമാണ് ഇതിന്റെ ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത്?
Which was the what's the date of year or how many years?
Before giving the information regarding the diet of this bull, I would like to know you what is the bull is. Yes, this bull is India's #1 bull. The recognition is still pending, but we can say that it may be a world's #1 bull. But recognition is there. So when we have to rear an animal like this, as we give a special diet to the wrestler, when we are making a person wrestler, we have to consider a special diet and exercise and all that. So we had done the same thing on this bull. Since beginning morning, it takes near about 20 to 25 liter milk along with honey, 250 grams honey daily.
So milk and
Honey. After that, he goes for a walk for 2 hours. After eating that, we provide him a various type of meals, including desi ghee.
Deshi ghee.
1 kg desi ghee, always with his feed. After that, we give him 1 kg of dry fruits, along with various type of vegetables, fruits, seasonable fruits. It takes near about 500 grams butter every day while he is sleeping, before the sleep.
Oh.
Sir, maybe how much you need one day expense for the eating these buffalo?
Per day expenses to rear this buffalo is near about 3 to 4,000 per day.
Like a elephant?
I can say more than that.
Yeah.
Yes, because elephant
2000 every day for elephant.
He
I think that any elephant needs only green grass,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Yeah, right.
Mostly. but he needs special diet like dry fruits and all that. Basically, dry fruits are given to him because they are the
Butter,
natural
butter.
resource of the multivitamins. And market, those which are available in market, they are artificial. So when there are natural resources are present in India, why should we give the artificial ones?
How many people serving for this one, sir?
Come again, please.
Yeah, how many people for serving for this one?
A
This,
team of 10
labor,
peoples.
labor for
10
this.
people.
The team of 10 people always with him when he moves out of the house. 2 doctors for 24 hours. 4 laborers.
24 hours, 2 doctors.
2 doctors. 4 laborers. 2 family members and 2 subordinate to control this giant.
So does he go agitated or angry?
No,
at
it
some
doesn't
point?
get agitated. It is very calm and docile, but we don't take a risk for a minute, for a second, because he's very powerful.
Yeah.
If it goes out of control, you can't control him. So we are very careful about it, and we don't give us little bit scope to be out of control.
Now I hold.
Is he
I hold
usually
now, sir.
friendly with the people?
It is very friendly. You can see
Yes,
that
indeed.
lots of people
Yeah.
coming here and touching it and feeling it, how cool and calm he is.
How old now?
He is now 6.5 years old. His height is above 6 feet. The length is 14 feet. His weight is 1300 kg.
Height.
Height is 6 feet.
6 feet.
Length,
Length?
14 feet.
14 feet.
Weight 1300 kg.
1300 kg.
So you spend thousands of rupees per day
Yes.
to feed this or to manage this or extra maybe a lot you invest on it.
Yes, I invest a lot.
What is the income if there is any? I understand you actually get semen and you actually market it. So is that what exactly you have out of this him or anything?
I would like to inform to the public at large. I'm incurring so much amount to rear this. Right now, I had not earned anything.
എന്തെങ്കിലും ഗ്രാൻഡ്
It is nothing profitable.
എന്തെങ്കിലും
It is
ഗ്രാൻഡ്
the,
കിട്ടുന്നുണ്ടോ ഗവൺമെന്റ്?
It is a, you can say, it is the property of a nation.
Right.
It is the only bull in India which can be used for the betterment of animal husbandry and the poor farmers who are having a limited resource. The whole progeny can be changed by this property. It is very big aspect, and the farmer's destiny can be changed. It is very useful to them, and their breed can be upgraded by the use of this semen. I have lots of money. I don't need money from this source. I want to help my poor peoples and the farmers of my country. In this way, I can help. So
You know, I
I'm
feel
planning.
goosebumps when I hear this.
So this skin is very smooth and shining. Giving
Yes.
any additional oil or
Oil massage is given to him every day for 2 hours, morning 1 hour and evening 1 hour, and near about Vaseline is applied on the skin, so the skin got smoother.
Do you get any grants or assistance from the government side?
No,
Be it
I didn't got any grant or any help from anybody. It may not from government or not from any institutions. I am prevailing its own my own.
Are there any academicians on like anyone coming for research purposes on this breed?
Yes, CRBI and HISAR are the 2 institutions in the India. They work only on the Murrah development to improve the breed of Murrah in India.
So how many are there yet in this breed?
The Murrah breed is there in India, lots of number, but this bull is only bull.
Only on Bhima.
Okay.
You can make it live. The value of this bull is very extraordinary, and some people, this bull is used for the betterment of animal breed, buffalo breed. So the breed can be improved by the use of semen of this Bhim bull in all over India. The demand is very high. People are loving, they are aware that the good breed should be with there. So some people are there who are making duplicate semen of Bhim and selling all over the India. That is very big cheat to the farmers. Lots of money, lots of time has been wasted by the farmers who got cheated.
Cheating. Huh?
Yes. My request to all countrymen is this, that before buying the semen of Bhim bull, if they can ask me where can they get the original semen, I would help them to provide the original one. So be aware from duplicate semen of Bhim. My mobile number is 8946870270.
One more.
It is give
One more.
one more.
Yeah.
Again,
Mobile number.
Same number. It is 8946870270. On this mobile, you can call and get the information regarding the originality of the semen. So poor people cannot be cheated. Are getting very good amount of money.
Yeah.
They are selling that semen of Bhim at very high price. I would like to inform all public, be careful and get information from me. So it is the duty on us.
Yes.
Our countrymen should not be cheated. Our farmers should not get be cheated. It is the duty on us. At least we can do the check and balance system. So all doctors, veterinarians are requested to use original semen. And what is the central attraction of this animal?
You from?
Pushkar.
Oh, Pushkar.
आपका भी इंटरव्यू जाएगा केरल.
I was actually not surprised when he said there is been here. Because,
I give
as
you one
said-
more information. I have been offered rupees 15 CR.
15 crore.
Huh.
He has been offered 15 crore for this.
If I want to say.
Somebody?
Yes.
Great.
People are questioning me. The 15 crore rupees are very big amount. Why don't you sell it?
So what do you say?
My aim is that the worth value of this bull is near 80-90 CRs or more than 100 CR. Those who have offered me 15 crores, they well known of this fact that they can earn this much of amount very easily. I'm also knowing it, but I am not commercial minded.
You are a great.
Not a
That's
great,
what-
I am just a simple, and I want to be with those countrymen who are with me.
In your home, only this buffalo or
No, we have two farms, one of buffalo. I am having near about 125 buffaloes and near about 100 cows, 4 horses.
great. You are a lover, animal lover. Great.
No, it is God gift. It is God gift. The nature of animal loving is given by God. This Bhim bull has been given by God, and other good things I am having. They are all given by the God. But we are just taking care of these precious animals.
I'm so moved to see how selfless you are, sir. So that's it. No, thank you so much for preserving such breed.
Yes, I am doing the preservation of this breed as well as the upliftment of my country.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
So, on behalf of all our countrymen,
Thank you.
thank you so much.
I need
Thank you
something
very
from you.
Oh, yes.
300 കിലോ ആണ് ഇതിൻ്റെ തൂക്കം. വസുത എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട്? പോത്ത് എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട്? ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടോ? അടിപൊളി.
വീട്ടിലുള്ളതിനേക്കാളും ഭേദമാണെന്നാ പറയുന്നത്.
കുട്ടിയെ വീട്ടിലേക്ക് കൊണ്ടുപോയിരുന്നു.